What if I told you that the biggest obstacle to your success is your own need to control everything? That the very thing you're holding on to is what's keeping you from receiving it? Neville Goddard, one of the most influential teachers of the mind's power, left behind a secret so powerful it could transform your life if you truly understood it. Yet most people are too afraid to use it. Letting go is not about giving up. It's about unlocking the hidden path to everything you desire. In this discussion, we'll explore why pure, unwavering trust is the key to manifesting what seems impossible. You'll gain insight into how Neville's teachings reveal the unseen forces shaping your reality and how you can align yourself with them. Stay with me until the end, because we are about to uncover a truth that has been misunderstood for decades, a truth that, once grasped, will set you free. Neville Goddard's journey from doubt to mastery. Neville Goddard's life was not just about theory, it was about proof. He didn't just speak about manifestation, he lived it. Born in 1905 in Barbados, his journey was anything but ordinary. Moving to New York with nothing but a dream, he transformed his life from a struggling performer into one of the most profound spiritual teachers of the 20th century. But here's what most people don't know. Neville wasn't always certain about his philosophy. He too had doubts. At times, he tried to force outcomes, believing effort alone could change his reality. However, it was only when he let go, when he surrendered control and trusted the unseen, that everything began to shift. The power of letting go. So what does it really mean to let go and trust the process? Why do so many people fail at it? The answer lies in one of Neville's most powerful concepts, living in the end. Many people think manifestation is about wishing, visualizing, and waiting, but Neville taught something radically different. He insisted that you must already be the person who has what you desire. You must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, not as a desperate hope, but as an absolute certainty. Here's the paradox. Once you assume it, you must also release it. You must let go of the need for it to happen in a specific way or at a specific time. Why? Because the moment you chase after something, you affirm that you do not yet have it. And in Neville's world, what you believe to be true is what manifests in your life. The trap of control. This is where most people get stuck. They try to control every detail, obsessing over how their dreams will unfold. But the more they hold on, the further away their desires seem to get. Neville himself experienced this firsthand. He longed to return home to Barbados but had no money. He tried everything, searching for opportunities, worrying, planning, but nothing worked. It was only when he let go and fully embraced the feeling of already being there that circumstances shifted. Out of nowhere, a friend he hadn't spoken to in years sent him a ticket. No effort, no struggle, just trust. The universe, or as Neville called it, the power of awareness, operates on certainty, not desperation. The moment you truly accept that what you desire is already yours, reality bends to make it so. Letting go, trust versus passivity. Letting go doesn't mean doing nothing. It means acting in faith, living each moment as if your wish is already fulfilled without needing to see proof. Imagine planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that it will grow. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's sprouting. You simply trust the process. Manifestation works the same way. You set your intention, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and then let go, allowing unseen forces to move things into place. One of the biggest misconceptions about letting go is that it means forgetting your desire. But Neville never said to forget. He said to know, to trust. Letting go doesn't mean you stop wanting something. It means you stop needing it. There's a difference. Needing something means you feel incomplete without it. You feel anxious, desperate, or fearful that it might not happen. When you feel that way, you're living in a state of lack, focusing on its absence. And according to Neville's teachings, what you focus on expands. Living in the end. Neville often used the example of a trip. If you booked a flight to your dream destination, would you spend every moment panicking about whether the plane will take off? Would you constantly call the airline, demanding proof that your ticket is real? Number you would prepare, pack your bags, and trust that on the right day, at the right time, you will board the plane and arrive at your destination. This is the mindset you must adopt with manifestation. Set your destination, your desire, and trust that it's already done. Stop checking, stop worrying, just live as though it is already true. The bridge of incidents. Many people give up too soon because they don't see results. They assume it's not working. But Neville made it clear, reality takes time to rearrange. Just because you don't see it yet doesn't mean it's not happening. When you manifest something, a series of events, what Neville called the bridge of incidents, begins to unfold. This bridge is rarely predictable. If you manifest a new career, you may first lose your current job. If you manifest love, your old relationship may end abruptly. These events might seem like setbacks, but in reality, they are necessary steps moving you toward your desired outcome. Overcoming fear and doubt. Doubt and fear are the greatest enemies of manifestation. They creep in when results aren't immediate. The mind begins to question, what if this doesn't work? What if I'm doing it wrong? But Neville warned that these doubts create delays. The moment you question, you shift your state from having to not having. The key to overcoming fear is persistence. Neville advised his students to assume the wish fulfilled and hold on to that state, no matter what. If reality contradicts your assumption, ignore it. If people tell you it's impossible, disregard them. Your inner world is more real than the outer world, and the outer world will eventually conform. Applying these principles in your life. 1. Scripting. Write down your desire as if it has already happened. Describe how it feels, what has changed, and express gratitude. 2. Speaking from the end. Instead of saying, I hope I get my dream job, say, I love my new job. 3. Revising the past. Before bed, replay scenes in your mind as you wish they had happened, reinforcing the new reality. Many of Neville's students shared incredible success stories after applying these principles. One woman imagined herself living in her dream home. Within months, an unexpected inheritance allowed her to buy it. Another man desired to reconnect with an old friend. He imagined receiving a letter from him, and weeks later, without taking any action, that friend contacted him. Conclusion. The true meaning of letting go. Letting go is not about losing hope. It's about stepping into the state of already having. It's about trusting that your desire is already done. The moment you truly accept this, the universe has no choice but to reflect it back to you. Everything you desire is already within you. The key is imagination and trust. Live in the end, let go of resistance, and watch your reality transform. Your dream is already waiting for you. Now it's time to apply these principles in your own life. Imagine boldly. Trust the process. Let go and receive.